HBAR is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been killing it in our Telegram channel, almost 200% in the past 2 weeks, and we are about to push 400 members. Make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on HBAR yesterday, we were testing a very crucial support level here at 0.06, and I mentioned, of course, the fact that we are looking for a possible breakdown formation because of how many times we have entered this support. Now, for those of you in the Telegram channel, we ended up taking a beautiful 25% shorting opportunity on the break of these exponential moving averages because we knew the more times a support level was tested while the EMAs were acting as resistance is a beautiful confirmation for a shorting position. Now, as of right now, you can see that we have retested 0.06 and we are seeing some sort of volume enter the market, but we still have to overcome these exponential moving averages, and right now, if you notice, they are starting to push towards the downside. My overall take profit level from a bearish case scenario, since the bulls couldn't break above 0.067, remains down here at 0.057, but the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it breaking, and this is going to become the fourth test opportunity, so we could be looking for a possible 0.05 on HBAR. Now, the reason why I am mentioning the 0.05 level specifically is you guys already know I mentioned the fact that when we ended up breaking below this crucial support level, retesting the exponential moving averages as resistance, we expected a pullback opportunity before grabbing that liquidity towards the downside, and this is exactly what happened on HBAR. You can see that we ended up retesting 0.057, saw the pullback, trying to grab that liquidity, and once again rejected off that level, and now we are looking for further continuation down to 0.05. Looking at the 0.05 level, you can see from previous price analysis, when we ended up breaking above that level, we actually tested it multiple times as support before the continuation, so that would be a very valid point of entry for a continuation of take profit. You can see, of course, even here on the daily time frame, the fact that we are now trading below our exponential moving averages isn't something we wanted to see. In yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very crucial from the bullish case scenario to maintain above the EMA lines, where we could be looking for a stronger breakout formation all the way up to 0.073, but the first area of indication would be breaking above these EMAs. You can see that although HBAR has consolidated within this range, we are now using the same level as resistance while retesting a major support, which is why I'm leaning towards a more bearish case scenario. Of course, it wasn't rocket science to know that we were going to be looking for a bounce on 0.057 because not only was it a major daily support level, but of course RSI was in extreme oversold conditions as well. And for those of you that have been following this channel for a very long time, you guys already know we ended up taking that trade opportunity from 0.083, riding it all the way down to 0.057, which was our overall take profit level. Now that the take profit level has, of course, hit, we are now looking for a possible continuation, but it's going to be very important to wait for a proper point of entry, because entering a little too early, you can definitely get wicked out, and this is why I'm mentioning to you guys multiple times that if we can't break above these exponential moving averages, we are looking for further continuation on HBAR. The question, of course, becomes where exactly will the bleeding stop, and for that we can look at the daily time frame, and you'll notice the fact that not only was the 0.057 level a very important daily support, but once we ended up breaking below that level in one daily candle, we tested all the way down to 0.04. This is ideally the last case bullish case scenario that I really have for the HBAR, because if we do end up breaking below 0.04, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to present an insane shorting opportunity, because looking at previous price analysis, for those of you that watch watched my video back then, you guys remember I said that we've only seen a one test confirmation on 0.035. I would much rather look for a buying opportunity on a third test opportunity, but you can see that we continued breaking above the EMAs. We still took this trade and we made some insane profits, but now is the area of opportunity to see whether or not we get that second and third retest at 0.035. Now, of course, I don't want to be a perma bearish aspect of it. I'm just letting you guys know, emotions aside, looking at the chart right now, HBAR is not really in a bullish case scenario. Although we did see a pullback entry, you can see how clean we rejected off these exponential moving averages, and to me this is starting to look more and more like a bull trap. Ideally, if we do get that break of the EMA, then we can start expecting a massive short squeeze, but right now we are not seeing the volume come into the market, so we have to be very careful. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.